Logic parenting.
Stop. I have told you 10 times. This, right here, is the moment kids stop listening. It feels like defiance. It feels like disrespect. But what's actually happening is biology. When a child or even a teenager feels overwhelmed, their brain shifts into survival mode. The emotional brain takes over, and the thinking brain, the part responsible for listening, reasoning, and self-control, goes offline. This is backed by neuroscience research, including the work of Dr. Daniel Siegel. In moments of stress, kids literally cannot process instructions the way we expect them to. So when we repeat ourselves louder, threaten consequences, or say, "I've told you 10 times," we are not increasing cooperation. We are shutting it down. The child cries harder, the parent gets more frustrated, and the gap between them grows. This is exactly why the book, How to Talk So Kids Will Listen, and Listen So Kids Will Talk, became a global parenting classic. One of its core ideas is simple but powerful. Connection comes before correction. You cannot teach a lesson to a nervous system that feels unsafe. So, you must be thinking, what should I not say? Stay with us, and we'll show you exactly what to avoid, and what to say instead, to really be heard. How many times do I have to tell you? Stop crying. You're not listening. Because I said so. These phrases are common. Many of us grew up hearing them. But research shows they increase shame, fear, and power struggles. They may stop behavior for the moment, but they don't teach skills. Now let's change the script. Instead of saying, "Stop crying, try," "I see you're really upset." Instead of saying, "You're not listening," try, "Something feels hard right now." This isn't permissive parenting. This is regulation. When children feel understood, their nervous system begins to settle, and only then does listening become possible. This matters even more with teenagers. Instead of "You're overreacting," try, "I may not fully get this yet. Help me understand." Instead of "Do what I told you," try, "Let's figure out a solution together." Studies on adolescent brain development show that teens respond far better to respect, autonomy, and collaboration than to control. Psychologist Dr. Ross Greene says it best. Kids do well if they can. If they're not listening, they're not being difficult. They're having difficulty. When you pause your reaction, when you stay with the emotion, when you choose safety over control, you're teaching something far bigger than obedience. You're teaching them they are loved, not for being quiet, not for being compliant, but for being human. Now, I want to hear from you. What words actually work with your child or teenager? Share them in the comments, because another parent may need them today. If this helped you, subscribe for more science-backed parenting and calm strategies. And if tantrums or meltdowns are your biggest struggle right now, watch my next video, where I break down exactly what to do during a tantrum. Step by step, without yelling or guilt. Because calm isn't something kids learn alone. They learn it from us.